Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how I made over $65,000 in the first month and a half of 2021. What's crazy guys is I made $60,000 when I first started my electrical engineering job, and I made over $65,000 in the first month and a half of this year. Now, let me just prove to you guys that today is February 18th. So what's today's date? I'm going to refresh that. Today's February 18th. So I want to reveal to you guys that I made over $65,000, but more importantly, I want to show you how I did it, how you can get started. I want to show you that I haven't been doing this very long, right? I get this question all the time, like, how do you promote so many programs? How do you keep them all in track? Like, I want to show you everything I'm doing. This is going to be a real raw and uncut video, guys. I'm not going to edit anything out. I'm just going to show you everything I'm doing inside of my business and how you can get started today. Now, guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But guys, I have a ton of videos on how to build a brand on YouTube, TikTok, but more importantly, how you can build a six-figure business with affiliate marketing. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income stream so you can quit your 9-to-5 job. Guys, I used to work a full-time job as an electrical engineer. I recently quit my job in March of 2020. Actually, it's almost been a full year since I quit, but it feels like I just quit my job. So guys, if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this video on how I did over $65,000. Well, first of all, guys, I just want to reveal to you guys all the income streams, or at least most of my income streams that made me over $65,000. So the first one here is my YouTube, okay? My actual YouTube channel, as you can see, has made me over $3,000 in 2021, right? Again, it's only been about a month and a half. Today is February 18th, so you can see here January 1st through February 17th. About $3,000 with my YouTube. Now, if I go to another program that I promote here, this is not the main program I promote, but you can see here from January 1st to February 18th, which is today, you can see over $2,100 in commissions with this program here, okay? Now, another one here, guys, is ClickBank here, so about $8,000 with this program. And this has been in just the first month of 2021, all right? Now, another one, guys, is PayPal. This is 2021. As you can see here, over $3,000 here with this program here. Now, with PayPal, I typically will receive payment for a lot of my other affiliate programs. So this is kind of a conjunction of multiple programs. Now, my Stripe account, guys, this is going to be the biggest income source here. You can see almost $50,000 with this account here. Now, guys, I want to talk to you guys about what I've done to shift my affiliate marketing business and how you can kind of do this as well, because I haven't been doing this very long. So I want to just give you a deep dive of what I'm doing, all right? A few more things that I promote, guys. Get Responses is a smaller one. This is an email software that I promote. This is what I use, so I also promote this, okay? Another one here is TubeBuddy, as you can see here, $63 here and $52 here. And if I go to ShareASale, you can see almost $300 with ShareASale, which is just another affiliate program, kind of like ClickBank. And then there's ClickFunnels. You can see here in the last 30 days, $1,300 and then $1,700 pending. So about about $3,000, a little more than $3,000 with ClickFunnels. And we have a few more, guys, JVZ Warriors Plus, but I'm not going to go into every single one. I want to go into the tactics. How did I actually do this, right? So the first thing, guys, is I build my email list, right? That's the number one goal when I'm building my business, okay? So if I go to any of my videos, the main goal of my videos is to get you on my email list. If you're on my YouTube channel, I'm trying to get you on my email list. If you're on my TikTok, I'm trying to get you on my YouTube channel to get on my email list, okay? So for example, here on this video on how to do ClickBank, right? If I scroll down, the first link here is to get you on my email list, right? So I have a 3-day challenge that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing, right? That's my main program. But within this program, you know, if you don't buy, just if you get on my email list, there's other ways. Oh, sorry about that. There's other ways for you to buy, okay, or to buy other programs. So for example, okay, I'm going to open this up here, and I just want to explain this to you guys, okay? So this is my main page here, okay? So the main goal of this is to grab an email list, okay? This is called a landing page, all right? So when you click on this link here, you enter an email, you enter your email address. Now, this email address goes into my autoresponder, okay, called Get Response, okay? Now I want to show you what this looks like here, okay? This is my autoresponder here, and as you can see, I have over 57,000 emails on my list, okay, which is extremely powerful because that means I can send an email to this 57,000 subscriber email list and I can basically print money, okay? I can find other offers that I want to promote and I can print money with this list, okay? That's how I make money with my business, okay? Because I'm building the biggest asset, which is my email list. A lot of people, what they do wrong is they promote a business or they promote an affiliate marketing course, but they're not building their email list, right? For example, okay? And this is going to be helpful if you are promoting the 3-day challenge. A lot of people tend to promote my 3-day challenge, right? Which is totally cool. I appreciate that if you're promoting my challenge. But what I see a lot of people doing wrong is they send people straight to this page. Yes, they're still going to get a commission if people buy, but the problem is you're sending leads to me when you should be building your email list, right? Of course, I appreciate you sending me your leads, but at the end of the day, I want to teach you how to actually do affiliate marketing, how to build your business the right way, right? The easiest way is obviously just send traffic to a page and that's it, right? But what you want to do is build out a bridge page or build out an opt-in page for yourself, okay? So for example here, if I go down, I'm going to show you when I was promoting Legendary Marketer as my #1 program, this is what it looked like here, right? It's my page and I'm capturing the email address, right? I see a lot of affiliates sending their traffic, their hard-earned traffic to other people's affiliate pages opt-in, okay? When you want to build your own opt-in page, you want to build your email list, okay? And of course, you can still build your business and brand off the backs of other businesses, but the main goal and what I want to teach you guys is you want to be building your email list, okay? Very, very important, okay? A lot of people, even in my, my affiliates sending traffic to my pages, yes, of course, I appreciate that, but I want to help you build your business, and I don't believe you can build a long-term sustainable business unless you're building your email list, okay? So very, very important. Now, of course, I have this option for my affiliates to send traffic directly to my page if they want to get their feet wet, right? If they want to start generating leads, but they don't have their opt-in page built yet, okay? That's why I have this option as an affiliate for my 3-day challenge, okay? But again, I want you to build your email list and your leads, okay? Now, this is what happens when you get on my email list, okay? They go through this email sequence. And actually, it's actually more in-depth than this, but this is one of my smaller ones here, okay? They get into my email list, but now what happens is I'm sending them value, okay? So, for example, here, this is sending them to, I believe, this is sending them to the offer, okay? This is just sending them to an offer here. But right here, I'm sending them to a YouTube video, okay? Right here, I'm gonna send them to a YouTube video. So we got offer here. Then we got a YouTube video here. Then right here, this is a YouTube video. So guys, you got to understand that what I'm doing here is, watch, you'll see here. So I'll send them the offer once, offer. And then what I want to do here is I want to build my business and brand, right? So then I'm sending them to, day number 2, I'll send them to YouTube, then again to YouTube, then again to YouTube, because I want to build a relationship with my audience, right? I want to be able to give them a ton of free content before they buy, right? A lot of people don't buy right away, right? It takes them, 9 to 12 times. They have to see me 9 to 12 times before they actually buy, whether it's my $7 3-day challenge, whether it's my $1,000 Freedom Breakthrough course, or my $5,000 one-on-one mentoring, right? And then now, because they see me so many times and I'm building more trust with people, they're more likely to buy from me, right? And guys, that's really, really important to understand, okay? The reason I was able to build not only a successful affiliate marketing business, but also now my own courses and my own mentoring is because I built my email list, right? That's really that's it. I built my email list, off the backs of other people, off the backs of other programs. But what's important is this back end, right? The back end is so important, guys, because if you guys understand how this back end works and how I'm building my brand with it, you guys will create a very successful business. All right. This is the stuff that I teach my one-on-one students, guys. Okay. Like I literally have them go through and build this sequence out. Okay. It's not fun to do, takes a lot of work, but that's what I have them do, okay, is I have them build out this sequence. I have them build out their brand, because this is how you build a long-term sustainable business. It's not pretty, it's not fun, but this is how you do it. This is almost guaranteed to get you success as long as you follow this blueprint. Now, again, you know, obviously I'm building out this email sequence, but I have these YouTube videos that I create, right? And on the back end, right, is I go and create this content where I know I can help people, right? All this content right here, guys, is how I help people build their business and build their brand, okay? So that's how I do it, okay? I get people on my email list, then I push them back to my YouTube videos where I can build more and more brand awareness. And then, of course, from there, you know, they're more likely to buy because they're already on my email list. Now, a ninja tactic that I use is, guys, is I use TikTok, okay? So what I do is, let's just say I make a YouTube video, right? Let's just say I make this video right here, okay? I make this video on ClickBank here. What I'll do, right, is I'll make a TikTok about this exact same YouTube video. And on TikTok, what I'll do is I'll get people from TikTok to watch my YouTube video, right? Because on TikTok, you only get 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds to create a video, right? So the main goal of my TikTok is to, yes, I do get people to my links here, but more importantly, most of my videos, I'm getting people to my YouTube channel. Boom, YouTube. Because if I get people to my YouTube channel, I know I can build more trust and I can get more people to buy the products that I have to offer. So this is the stuff that I wanted to mention, guys. This is literally how I've built a very successful business with affiliate marketing. I'm not a millionaire. I'm not nothing like that. But I mean, I've been doing this not that long, right? I mean, if you go to my analytics here, watch, I'll go to my analytics, guys, and I'll show you how long I've been doing this, right? If I go to custom here, I'm going to go to go 04, 01, 2019. Because I want to show you guys, I want to just show you exactly, you know, how long I've been doing this, right? So if I go to overview here, you can see that I started right here, right? I started my channel in May, I think it was May 15th. And then you can see, guys, that, you know, I've grown. Obviously, I've grown over time. My reach has grown. You can see here a little bit of a dip here. I was creating my courses. But yeah, I mean, you can see I started here. I started out very, very slow. It got, you know, and then now I'm growing again, right? It's all exponential, guys. And that's how I've been able to grow a very successful business and brand, is with my YouTube channel. But again, of course, I'm building my YouTube using TikTok. And again, I haven't been doing this very long. You know, like, I mean, it may seem like a long time, but I feel like I'm just starting out, guys. Like, there's so much potential in this game because I'm building my list, and that it gives me so much leverage to basically print money when I want. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I just really wanted to talk about what I do and how I basically, you know, have made over $65,000 in the first month and a half. It literally blows my mind. And I don't make this video to brag or anything like that. Like, I'm not like that, guys. I mean, if you see the cars I drive an old Chevy that has 200,000, old Dodge Ram that has 200,000 miles on it. I'm not a flashy person, okay? I show you this because this business has changed my life. It has literally dramatically changed my life, because now I can do what I want when I want. I can work when I want because you know, all my business is online, right? And I can work when I want. I can work as hard as I want or as little as I want, and I'm literally okay, right? You know, I don't live a crazy lifestyle, so I don't have to, you know, worry about blowing money all the time. Yes, I have fun. Yes, I go out and, you know, we enjoy vacations and stuff like that. But what I'm saying is, this has literally changed my life. Like, not only the income, but the financial freedom that I've been able to achieve with this business. So guys, I want to help you guys do the same thing. I do have a 3-day challenge that is going to help you get started, right? It's going to show you step by step how to get your funnels going, how to get your email list going, all the basics of affiliate marketing, right? Everything I showed you here, but in more click by click, step by step type form. Okay, so if you guys want access to that 3-day challenge, click on the link down below. It's going to be the first link in the description. And it's going to take you through that 3-day challenge. It's going to get you on my email list because that is my main goal, but not just to get you on my list. Of course, I want to provide you value as much as I can. Once you get on that list, then I'm going to give you the 3-day challenge for only $7, guys. It's going to add you to my Facebook group, and I'm going to help you guys out because I truly believe I can help any of you guys. If you're camera shy, if you're scared to get on video, that was literally me, right? I was so scared to get on video for years and years. And, I finally got the courage to do it. And this is where I'm at. I'm not super successful, but I'm happy where I'm at now. So I want to help you guys do the same thing. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless, and you guys have a good day.